Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to insert a SIM card into Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. To insert a SIM card, first find the SIM tray located at the bottom of your device. It is here, as you can see. This is the SIM tray. And to open it, use a SIM tray opener. Put it in this hole so the SIM tray pops up. If you don't have a SIM tray opener, use a needle and take out the SIM tray. Now use your SIM card and put it with chip facing up, like that, and then take your Pixel and put the SIM tray back into your Pixel. Now it should recognize your SIM card and show this network symbol here. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.